10 ways to avoid stretch marks. One of the things that women complain about is the natural and inevitable changes their bodies go through during pregnancy and weight gain. Let's face it, unless you're a celebrity or someone rich enough to be able to afford a personal chef, a personal trainer, and plastic surgery, your body will never go back to the way it was before you had children. One of the things women avoid like the plague is getting stretch marks. If it's in the genes, the only thing you can do is take measures to remove these unwanted marks. Otherwise, here are 10 ways you can avoid stretch marks from marring your skin. But before we begin, make sure you're subscribed to our channel because we publish new videos every day. And most importantly, we want you to join our community of boss ladies. With that out of the way, let's get started. Number 1. Vitamin C. Time and again, we're reminded by our doctors and health practitioners to consume copious amounts of vitamin C. Not only does it strengthen and protect the immune system from flu and the common cold, it's used by the body to form collagen and cartilage, and aids in reducing free radical damage. While it's true that it doesn't hurt to have a bottle of vitamin C tablets in your medicine cabinet, nothing beats the real deal. Foods rich in vitamin C include bell peppers, kale, broccoli, and of course, fruits like oranges and pineapples. Number 2. Shea butter or cocoa butter. Like oil and lotion, butter has an abundance of moisturizing components to it. In particular, shea or cocoa butter are highly recommended to hydrate skin and prevent stretch marks. Cocoa and butter both contain a good amount of fat, while shea butter is made from nuts whose shell contains fatty acids. These fats help in the process of skin regeneration, thus preventing stretch marks from appearing on your skin. And for those who already have stretch marks, butter will greatly aid in reducing them. Number 3. Dry brush your skin. Believe it or not, cleansing your body doesn't just mean detoxing by drinking tons of water and juicing vegetables. It also includes exfoliating your skin. Scrubbing your skin helps to cleanse both your inner and outer body, and it only takes 5 minutes a day. Why? Because the skin is considered an organ of elimination. Before jumping into the shower, bring out a natural bristle brush and start brushing your entire body, starting from your feet and working your way up. This should be followed by a hot, then cold shower to get the blood circulating. After toweling off, lather with natural oils to moisturize. Number 4. Drink tons of water. Like exercising and dieting, one of the most important aspects of living a healthy life is drinking tons and tons of water. After all, we're reminded time and again that our bodies are comprised of roughly 60% water. By drinking at the very least 8 glasses of water a day, our overall health improves, including our skin, which includes lessening of dryness, acne, and stretch marks. Number 5. Aim for a gradual weight gain or weight loss. One of the downsides of a big increase or decrease in weight is an appearance of stretch marks due to the elasticity of your skin not being able to catch up with its rapid stretching or shrinking. The solution? Make sure you lose or gain weight very gradually. Number 6. Reduce amount of weights during workouts. Some of us want to lose the fat but add some lean muscle into our bodies, so we resort to weightlifting and we think, hey, the heavier the weights, the more muscle we can build. Little do we realize that lifting weights that are too heavy can cause stretch marks. Experts advise using lighter weights and increasing the number of repetitions gradually as you go along. Number 7. Consume gelatin. Gelatin is said to be an effective means to tamper down on those unwanted marks. That's because skin elasticity is crucial in retaining its smoothness, and one means to ensure this is to consume copious amounts of collagen, which is found in gelatin. You can use gelatin powder not just for making actual jello, but in drinks too. Number 8. Light stretching before workout. In this fast-paced world we live in, it's tougher than ever to try to fit exercising into our packed schedules. But exercise we must if we're adamant to live a healthy lifestyle. But sometimes we're so pressed for time that we jump right into the rigorous workout, completely forgetting that we have to build up towards it. Light stretching before exercising not only properly prepares you for the gradual build-up to the next level of intensity, it also improves your blood circulation, hence ensuring skin elasticity. Number 9. Virgin coconut oil. There's a reason sunblock lotions include the ingredient of coconut. It does wonders to the skin. Many pregnant women also swear by coconut oil to prevent stretch marks during pregnancy, and the best kind of oil is the virgin coconut variety. That's because it's full of saturated fatty acids that do wonders to the skin. The best time to apply the oil is right after taking a shower while your skin is still slightly damp. Number 10. A healthy, balanced diet. A healthy diet does wonders to your body in any and every aspect. Eating healthy doesn't only help you in maintaining your weight or cleansing the havoc that junk food wreaks on your system, it helps in your external appearance as well. Eating food loaded in fiber such as oatmeal and organic fruits and vegetables, as well as protein, will result in smoother, clearer skin and less chances of getting stretch marks. This is because a balanced diet means that your skin is properly nourished. Thank you for being a part of Rebela. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. We also handpicked these videos which we recommend you watch next, and we'll see you back tomorrow.